Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to learn about Python functions. A function is actually a block of code which only runs when it is called. Okay, so for creating function, we have to use a syntax. The syntax is known as DEF, that is define a function. So we can write DEF FUNC, which is the function. This is the function name, and after that we are going to write brackets. So this is actually the syntax of writing the function, and we are defining a function of name func func, and after that we are writing brackets. So we are going to know later what we have to write inside of that bracket, but for now we have to write print, and after that we can write hello world. So we have written it, and now we have to call the function. So to call a function, we have to write like this func, and after that we have to write the brackets, and this will call the function. We have to write the function name, and after that brackets. So if I run this one, you can see it prints hello world. Okay, so now we are going to learn about the arguments. So what are actually arguments? Arguments are the values that can be passed inside a bracket. So we are going to show the working of an argument. So let's say I'm writing the same syntax here. So define function, and if I write let's say a name here, let's say first name, that is if name, and if I just write here, let's say I've written here if name as the argument, and print if name plus do, that is when I will give the argument value, that is the name or any number or something else. Argument is actually considered as a kind of variable, and we are assigning the value of John to it. So when I give the value of John, then it will print John plus do. So now if I just print this one, you'll see John Doe. We can put some space here, and if I just print it, it will be John Doe. So this is how arguments work. We can also do something else. Let's say we write a number here. Let's say x. We write a number, and if I just write x plus 2, and I just give here, let's say 6. So it will print 8. So let's say 8. You see? So what happens here is that we are defining a function, that is func func, and we are giving an argument x and printing x plus 2. And when we are calling that function, we are using func, and in bracket we are giving the value of x as 6. So this is how we are getting 8, and we, as we know, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, so we are getting 8. So this is all about arguments. We can also give default parameter value. For example, let's say we already mentioned x is equal to 6, and after that we can just run this one, and we will see it will again print 8. So this is default parameter value. We can already like specify what is the value of the parameter. So after that we can write, now we can use the return statement. So what is return? We can define function of x, and we can write return 5 into x. Okay, so to use the return statement, we will not have to write the only func4. We have to write print function 4. And if I just now run this one, you will see it will print 20. See 20. So what happens here is that the syntax define function, and in bracket we are giving argument x and returning the value 5 into x. As we know, 5 into 4 is 20, and we are printing. We have to use the print statement in when we are using the return statement in the function. So print func4, and the 4 is the argument, x is the parameter, and after that we can just print this one, and we'll see it will print 20. Now we are going to learn about Python lambda. So what is lambda? Lambda is a function, but it is a small function that it can have any number of arguments, but it can only have one expression. So let's say I'm writing here the syntax. Let's say x is equal to lambda a. So here a is actually the parameter, and when we are giving the value of a, that is, it will return the value a into 10. So if I just print now x, and in bracket I'm giving the value of a, let's say I'm giving 10 here, and if I just run this one, it will print the value of a will be 10, and it will print 100. See, it prints 100. So this is the lambda function. So today up to this, if you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to never miss any notification. And you can also follow me on Instagram. Thank you.